San Francisco. It's a city that gets under your skin. From the moment you set foot here, you can feel it. An electric vibe that pulses through the air. A unique blend of history, culture, and innovation that makes this city unlike any other. The moment you arrive, you feel it. A buzz, an energy that's contagious. The streets are alive with the hustle and bustle of people from all walks of life, each contributing to the city's vibrant tapestry. Street markets brim with fresh produce, artisanal goods, and the aroma of diverse cuisines that invite you to take a bite. Sure, everyone knows about the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz. These iconic landmarks are must-sees, drawing millions of visitors each year. The Golden Gate Bridge, with its majestic span and stunning views, is a marvel of engineering and beauty. Alcatraz, with its storied past, offers a glimpse into a darker chapter of history. But trust me, San Francisco's true magic lies beyond the postcard-perfect views. It's in the lesser-known landmarks, the hidden corners of the city that tell their own unique stories. The neighborhoods, each with their own character and charm, offer a more intimate look at what makes San Francisco so special. Get ready to wander down charming alleyways. These narrow paths, often adorned with vibrant murals, are like open-air galleries showcasing the city's artistic soul. The colorful houses that line these streets add to the whimsical charm, making every turn a delightful surprise. Discover secret gardens tucked away between buildings. These green oases offer a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle, where you can relax and recharge. They are the city's hidden lungs, providing a breath of fresh air amidst the concrete jungle. Unearth quirky museums you won't find anywhere else. From the Museum of Ice Cream to the Exploratorium, these institutions celebrate the city's innovative spirit and love for the unconventional. Each exhibit is a testament to San Francisco's creativity and willingness to push boundaries. San Francisco is a city that rewards the curious, the adventurous, the ones who dare to explore beyond the surface. It's a place where every street, every corner, holds the promise of a new discovery. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned local, there's always something new to uncover. This is a city of hidden gems, waiting to be unearthed. From tucked-away cafes to secret viewpoints offering breathtaking panoramas, these off-the-beaten-path locations are the heart and soul of San Francisco. They are the places that make you feel like you've stumbled upon a well-kept secret. So, ditch the tourist map, grab your sense of adventure, and let's uncover the real San Francisco together. Embrace the unexpected and let the city's surprises unfold before you. Whether you're exploring solo or with friends, the journey through San Francisco's hidden treasures will be an unforgettable adventure. Hidden amongst the hustle and bustle of San Francisco's vibrant streets lie secret gardens that many pass by without a second glance. These hidden gems are sanctuaries of peace and beauty, offering a stark contrast to the city's energetic pace. These peaceful oases provide a moment of tranquility amidst the urban excitement, where one can escape the noise and find a quiet corner to relax and reflect. Step into the Japanese Tea Garden in Golden Gate Park, a place where tradition and nature blend seamlessly. Here, you can find serenity amongst the pagodas, koi ponds, and meticulously pruned bonsai trees. The garden's design invites you to slow down and appreciate the intricate details of its landscape. Or, discover the magic of the Palace of Fine Arts Theater's hidden gardens. This iconic landmark not only boasts stunning architecture but also houses lush gardens that are perfect for a leisurely stroll. Walk beneath towering cypress trees that have stood the test of time, and marvel at the ornate architecture reflected in the tranquil lagoon. The interplay of nature and art here is truly mesmerizing. For a taste of local life and community spirit, head to the Garden for the Environment. This space is dedicated to sustainable living and offers a hands-on experience in urban gardening. Learn about sustainable gardening practices through workshops and events that teach you how to grow your own food and care for the environment. Get your hands dirty in the edible garden, where you can plant, nurture, and harvest your own produce. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to the earth and the community. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into San Francisco's soul, revealing a side of the city that is often overlooked but deeply cherished by those who discover it. It's a side of the city you won't find in guidebooks, a testament to the rich and diverse tapestry of life that makes San Francisco so unique. So next time you find yourself in the city, take a moment to seek out these secret gardens and experience the tranquility they offer. Forget crowded museum halls. San Francisco is a haven for quirky offbeat museums. Dive into the whimsical world of the Musée Mécanique. Be amazed by antique arcade games and mechanical wonders. Next, journey through the history of the city at the Wells Fargo History Museum. See stagecoaches, gold nuggets, and learn about the Gold Rush era. For art lovers, the Walt Disney Family Museum is a must-see. Explore the life and legacy of the animation legend through interactive exhibits and original artwork. Don't miss the City Lights bookstore, a literary landmark. Browse through shelves of books, soak in the bohemian atmosphere, and maybe even catch a poetry reading. San Francisco's culinary scene is legendary. But beyond the Michelin-starred restaurants, there's a world of hidden culinary gems waiting to be discovered. Head to the Ferry Building Marketplace for a taste of local flavors. Sample artisanal cheeses, freshly baked sourdough bread, and indulge in seasonal delicacies. For a true taste of San Francisco, grab a Mission-style burrito in the Mission District. Don't forget to try the clam chowder served in a sourdough bread bowl at Fisherman's Wharf. In the evening, explore the vibrant nightlife and diverse culinary offerings of neighborhoods like North Beach, Chinatown, and the Castro. Section 5, the Golden Gate Bridge beyond the postcard views. The Golden Gate Bridge, it's the icon of San Francisco, and for good reason. This marvel of engineering and design has captured the hearts and imaginations of millions around the world. Its striking red-orange towers and sweeping cables are instantly recognizable, making it one of the most photographed landmarks on the planet. But to truly experience its grandeur, you need to go beyond the postcard views. While the classic shots are breathtaking, there's so much more to discover. The bridge offers a multitude of angles and perspectives that reveal its intricate details and the stunning scenery that surrounds it. Start your day with a bike ride across the bridge. Renting a bike is easy and allows you to explore at your own pace. As you pedal along the pathway, you'll feel the bridge's vibrations beneath you and the cool breeze from the bay. It's an invigorating way to begin your adventure. Feel the wind in your hair as you soak in the panoramic views of the city skyline, Alcatraz Island, and the Marin Headlands. The bridge offers unparalleled vistas that change with the light and weather, providing a dynamic backdrop for your journey. For a unique perspective, hike the Battery Spencer Trail in the Marin Headlands. This trail offers a more rugged and natural setting, with sweeping views of the bridge and the bay. The hike is moderately challenging but well worth the effort for the breathtaking scenery. Capture stunning photos of the bridge from this elevated vantage point. The higher elevation provides a dramatic angle that showcases the bridge's full span and the surrounding landscape. It's a photographer's dream location, offering endless opportunities for creative shots. In the evening, watch the sunset over the Pacific Ocean, painting the bridge in hues of orange and pink. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, casting a warm glow over the bridge and the water below. It's a sight you won't soon forget. The bridge takes on a magical quality at dusk, with its lights twinkling against the darkening sky. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, the Golden Gate Bridge offers an experience that goes far beyond the postcard views, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Section 6, Fisherman's Wharf, a sensory feast. Fisherman's Wharf, it's a bustling hub of activity, where the salty air mingles with the aroma of fresh seafood. Start your day with a visit to Pier 39. Watch the playful antics of the famous sea lions basking in the sun. Then, stroll along the pier, browsing through souvenir shops and enjoying the lively atmosphere. Grab a table at one of the waterfront restaurants and savor a plate of fresh Dungeness crab or clam chowder. Don't miss the chance to visit the historic ships at Hyde Street Pier. Step back in time as you explore these maritime treasures. Section 7. Exploring San Francisco's diverse neighborhoods. San Francisco's neighborhoods are like mini-cities, each with its own personality and charm. Spend an afternoon getting lost in the vibrant streets of Chinatown, the largest Chinatown outside of Asia. Admire the colorful architecture, sample authentic Chinese cuisine, and soak in the bustling atmosphere. Explore the LGBTQ+ history and culture of the Castro district. Wander down Castro Street, browse through unique boutiques, and enjoy a meal at one of the many sidewalk cafes. Discover the bohemian vibes of Haight-Ashbury, the birthplace of the hippie counterculture movement. Section 8. Navigating the city tips for travelers. Getting around San Francisco is easy and fun. The city offers a variety of transportation options. Hop on a historic cable car and experience a quintessential San Francisco adventure. The cable cars climb the city's steep hills, offering breathtaking views along the way. For a more budget-friendly option, use the city's extensive Muni system, which includes buses, light rail, and streetcars. Consider renting a bike to explore the city at your own pace, especially the Golden Gate Bridge. And don't be afraid to walk. San Francisco is a very walkable city, and you'll discover hidden gems along the way. Section 9. Avoiding the crowd's insider secrets. San Francisco can get crowded, but with a few insider tips, you can escape the tourist hordes. Visit popular attractions during the week or early in the morning to beat the crowds. Instead of joining the long lines at Lombard Street, walk a few blocks up or down the hill for equally charming views without the crowds. Explore the city's hidden gardens and less-known museums, which offer a more tranquil experience. For a unique perspective of the city, take a ferry to Sausalito or Tiburon. You'll enjoy stunning views of the skyline and escape the hustle and bustle. Section 10. San Francisco After Dark, a night owl's guide. As the sun sets, San Francisco transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. Catch a Broadway show in the theater district, known for its grand theaters and world-class performances. Experience the city's legendary jazz scene in North Beach, where you can find intimate clubs featuring both local and international musicians. For a more laid-back evening, head to a rooftop bar in Soma. Enjoy panoramic views of the city lights while sipping on handcrafted cocktails. Don't forget to check out the local events calendar for concerts, festivals, and other nighttime entertainment options. Section 11, your San Francisco adventure awaits. So there you have it, a glimpse into the heart and soul of San Francisco. This is a city that begs to be explored, to be savored, to be experienced. From its hidden gardens and quirky museums to its culinary delights and iconic landmarks, San Francisco offers something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to fall in love with the magic of San Francisco. Your unforgettable adventure awaits.